Hello and welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY video. Today I have a huge Dollar Tree Valentine's Day haul for you guys. They have so many cool new items, so this is going to be kind of a long video. So grab your nice warm cozy beverage, get all settled in. I just want to say I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas and an absolutely fabulous New Year's, and I hope the whole year is wonderful for everyone. So with that being said, let's get started. So the first thing I got is this heart. It's absolutely adorable. It is pretty thick on the side, it's glittery, it's shimmery, and it does have this little thing so you can hang it on the wall if you want. So many DIY possibilities. So here is just a closer look at this heart. Like I said, absolutely adorable. It is foam and it's pretty thick. I'm flipping it around now and the back side is completely flat. It does have a place to hang it. This would be easy to glue something on it or to it. So many possibilities. So cute. So of course I had to pick up 3 in this beautiful pink color. It's the exact same thing as the red. They all have the little strings so that you can hang it on the wall. It'll be easy to glue on, just like the other one. But I do want to say, be careful that you are picking out ones that don't have any blemishes on them. Also, my camera is making it look like some glitter is missing on those, and it's not. However, I did get home and found out that a couple of them had little brown dots. Like this one here, not really going to make a difference for what I'm doing, but just something to be paying attention to when you buy them. So I was able to find these purple glittered branches. I guess they're technically Halloween, but I was super excited to find them. I realized that not all Dollar Trees are going to have these right now because it is from Halloween, but I think it's going to look great in a Valentine's DIY that I have in mind. And also, as you can see, some of the glitter is missing from it, probably because it's been at the store since Halloween. But anyway, always something to be looking out for, but I don't think it's going to make much of a difference for what I have in mind for it anyway. Next up, I found these really gorgeous flowers. Once again, I'm sorry they're not technically Valentine's Day. I didn't realize that until I got home because I saw the pretty pink colors, and to me, that screamed Valentine's Day. Technically, these were from the fall, but you know what? It's always nice when something lasts that long in the stores, just sitting there waiting for you to find it. I was so happy when I found these, and I think it's going to look great in a Valentine's Day DIY that I will hopefully make pretty soon. Next up, I got these roses. I believe Dollar Tree usually carries these. I can't remember that I've seen them before, but judging by the tag that says roses, I do believe that they're normally in the store. I don't think it's a seasonal item. It's just something that they usually carry. I got 3 of these roses. I just thought they were so pretty with the white and the pink tips, as you can see. And I think they'd be gorgeous in just a vase, or I'm gonna make something with them, of course. I also got these really pretty hearts. They're kind of a shimmery rose gold color, which I love, so I had to pick up a couple of those. Not sure what I'm gonna do with them, but they were so pretty and I thought the color was gorgeous. I mean, I don't know about you, but I still love rose gold. So I had to pick up a couple of these hearts. I had to pick up these red roses. They're so pretty, and that's such a classic staple for Valentine's Day. I couldn't pass them up. The red roses are so gorgeous, and it has 2 red shimmery hearts. I believe they're made out of foam. And I think those little white flowers are baby's breath. I could be wrong, but it is so cute and such a nice little bouquet for $1. I loved the hearts so much that I had to get a bouquet of them. I'm hoping that I can take off the little hearts. I don't think you're technically supposed to, but for a DIY, I'm going to see if I can to make a Valentine's DIY. So exciting. Here's just an up-close look at the hearts. You do want to be careful once again when buying these because I noticed at the store there were a lot that had quite a few blemishes and glitter slash little sequences that were missing. So just keep an eye on that when purchasing this and a lot of Dollar Tree items. Dollar Tree right now has quite a few craft items that are in the shape of hearts. This is an example of that. It's their felt hearts. You get 8 hearts in total, and they're red, pink, and white. And they have this really pretty border of little tiny hearts within the heart. I just thought these were so cute. I know there's endless possibilities for what I can use them for.
2 of these packets of foam hearts. These are a little bit bigger than the last hearts I showed you. You get 12 of them. And there is purple, red, and pink. I kind of wish that there was a white heart in here, but like, it's a minute issue that I have with it. It's not really that big of a deal. It'd be kind of nice to have white in there as well. But with that being said, I think for $1 this is pretty cool. It so many different uses, and you don't necessarily have to use these for Valentine's Day because you can use the foam for whatever. So anyway, I got that.
Here's a better look at all of the colors that you get of these foam hearts. You get purple, pink, and red. They're really cute, and they are blank for the most part. However, the very bottom one did have the logo of the company that makes them, but really that's not that big of a deal. It's one, it says Greenbrier. Just wanted to let you know that one of them does have that on it. But yeah, they're really thin and really cool to use.
What I got was this 26-piece felt stickers, and I just thought these were so adorable, and the fact that they are stickers is so cool. Yeah, here's what these look like. So many crafts once again that you could do with these, and it's really awesome when you can find something like this for $1.
A really exciting item Dollar Tree has right now is this wooden heart. All it says on the tag is do-it-yourself decor. I ended up getting 3 of these just because I have a Valentine's Day DIY in mind for all of these wooden hearts. They do have a string on the top of each of them, and I just think this is so cool because there are so many possibilities for this product that that Dollar Tree is carrying. And yeah, you can paint it, you can stain it, you can do whatever you want with it. So cool for $1.
I also got some more little hearts. Let's see if I can open up this one for you. These are so adorable. A little bit of glitter fallout, not gonna lie, but I mean, I'm okay with it, I think. I don't know. Anyway, hairspray, yeah, you could hairspray them. Get rid of that glitter fallout, but oh my gosh, so sparkly, so cute. I think my little kitty needs one right there. Yeah, a bit of glitter fallout, but it's kind of to be expected, I think. And once again, so many things, so many crafts that you can use these with. A great deal for $1. And
here's just a quick up-close look at these little hearts. They're called table scatter, and it comes with 60 little hearts. I was able to find these glitter hearts. You get 5 of them. It looks like there's 3 different sizes, large, medium, and small, and they are on like a cardstock or like a thinner cardboard material. They're pretty cool. I can't wait to do something with them, and I also got them in the red color, of course, and yeah, super cute for $1. Oh my gosh, I was so excited to find this sign that says love. It's one of those things that you can DIY it even further. You could vamp it up a little bit and make it look all fancy, or you can just leave it plain and it is adorable. So excited to find this. It has a string on the back, as you can see, and it has those little gold pieces on the back. You could also use that to hang it on the wall if you wanted to. So many possibilities. I am so excited to see what I can do with this sign. These little hearts are so pretty. There's 3 of them, and they're each on these little tiny heart-shaped wreaths, which the wreath shape in itself is so cool that you get 3 of them for $1. But it's already so gorgeous, but I'm still gonna see what I can do with it and what I can make with this for Valentine's Day. So excited for this item. It does hang on the wall, so it has a little string at the very top, and it is just so adorable. I'm telling you, it's great.
Alright, and the last few items that I got are not related to Valentine's Day, but I wanted them, so I got them. I got a couple of these LED tea light candles. These are really cool for $1. They light up and they do different, 3 different colors. They do red, purple, and green as it shows here. And I have an idea for a DIY that does have to do with Valentine's Day, so I picked a couple of these up.
So here is what it looks like up close. You can see the plastic gems, and it changes, the tea light changes colors. There's a purple, blue, and green. It's really pretty, and I think it's pretty cool for $1, so of course I had to get myself a couple of them. Oh, and red too. It does do red.
I picked up one of these tall vases for a DIY, so stay tuned to see what I do with that. But Dollar Tree on a regular basis does carry these vases. So yeah, this is not a seasonal item. It's pretty much there all the time, at least at my Dollar Tree and others that I've been to.
Once again, I'm bringing you an up-close look at this item. So this is just a vase, like I said, that Dollar Tree usually always carries. Yeah, and it's a tall one, and it's really pretty, and I'm going to use it for Valentine's Day.
Finally, the last thing that I got was these sequences. I got a packet of sequins. Okay, I cannot speak today, but it has sequins, and it has 6 bags of 6 colors, and they are very, very much related to Valentine's Day in the color scheme. But Dollar Tree often does carry these, and sometimes I've seen ones that are browns, which go with my room, so I have picked up those. But because I'm doing a Valentine's Day DIYs, of course I had to get a couple of these. I have something in mind and I'm so excited to share it with you all.
These are so pretty. Like I said, you can get these a lot of times in browns. I've also seen blues, and these pinks are just so perfect for Valentine's Day. Really happy that I found these during this time of the year. Thank you so much for watching the video. This is Miss Alley Cat DIY signing off. If you want, I would really love it if you left a comment just letting me know which of these items was your favorite or what item you're most looking forward to seeing in your stores.